Monday.com versus Asana, best project management software. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will be doing comparison between Monday.com and Asana. So without further ado, let's dive in. To start with, let me log into both platforms first. And here's the Asana homepage. From here, you can simply see your priorities. And under your priorities, you can see the upcoming task that you may and your team need to finish. You can also see the overdue task. If there are overdue tasks, you can simply message directly the assigned member to follow up the tasks. And then lastly, the completed task. Your team can mark their task complete and you can see it here to review their work. And here you can see your project list over here. So I created 2 projects just for this demo. Over here, you can customize your home, like you can change the background color according to your likes. You may also add more widget in your homepage, like adding private notepad. You can just drag and drop it easily. So from here, I can see Asana is simple and very user-friendly. If you are a new user, then this software will not complicate you with its functionalities because it's very simple and easy to use. And now let's go to Monday.com. Here is the Monday homepage. And here you can see your inbox notification, recent work or activity here, and your workspaces. Workspaces here is like projects on Asana. Over here, you can learn more about how to use Monday. You may watch the tutorial video or contact help center or join webinar, and here you can check and use ready-made templates. They have amazing and colorful templates, but for new user it looks like complicated. For me personally, Monday is nice because they can make your project management colorful and fun, just like this kind of workspace or project, but it's not as user friendly as Asana, and it's a little bit complicated to use the Monday software, especially for new user. So go back to Asana. So when we check Asana projects from the homepage, just click on the project you want to check. And over here, you can see the project plan and its task. You may know if the task is complete because it will turn green, just like this. You may do this, you may mark this complete, or the member you assigned can mark this as complete. And here you can see the assignee person, due date, priority level, task progress, or you may also add different customized column on your own. So this is the list view of your project plan. You can also view it as a board, timeline, or calendar, whichever view that makes you comfortable to check your task. And here under dashboard, you can see the progress of your project, which is really good. And here under My Task is where you can check all the tasks that you created. And for your member, it's also where they can see all the tasks that you just assigned to them. You can see here the recently assigned task, to do today, task, due next week, or due later. The to do today or next week or due later, your assigned member can level the task as due today or next week or due later. For example, I assigned task here on my own. I can just easily drag task over here if I want to do this task today or next week or later. It depends on me. And of course, I need to make sure that I can finish the work on or before the due date. And here you can add comment or mention another member for help if you like to. And you can mark this task complete over here, or you may change the status of the task here like not started or in progress, waiting or done, depends on you. You have your inbox notification here, and it's also where you can see notification when someone mentioned you. And under reporting is where you can check everything in chart. You can set this one up on your own. You may add as many as chart as you want that you like to manage the progress or status of the task or projects. Then portfolios. where you can monitor status and team member workload across multiple projects. And Asana can help you set up your first portfolio with their easy to understand guide. And here you can set up your goal, and over here you can see the projects you have, and also you can see all the members here. But for now, since I don't have member invited, you can see empty here. And that's how easy Asana for both manager and members. It's simple and easy to use even for beginners. In comparison to Monday.com, here's the project view. Here are the tasks for your project, and over here, the assigned person for the specific task, the status, timeline, or due date, the priority level, and more. I just use ready-made project, but you can remove some of the column here or add more that can be useful in managing your project tasks. And over here, you may view your task in different ways. So this is the main table. View it as a timeline, Gantt, calendar, or more. You just need to click this add icon to add more. You can add chart, or under dashboard, you have different option to visualize your board data. And you have your notification here. It's where you can see if you are mentioned by anyone from your team and if new assigned task added to your workload. And your inbox over here. And my work is where you can see all your tasks and manage what task to focus today or this week and what are the upcoming tasks that you need to prepare. And over here, you can download other apps that you can integrate or connect to your Monday account and the button to invite members here. Overall, for me, when it comes to functionalities and usage of the software, I will choose Asana because it's simple and user friendly. You can see and manage tasks more easier and faster than Monday.com. But let's check their pricing and see which is more cheaper. So first, Asana pricing. So first, Asana has 30 days free trial, which is really good. And their cheapest plan is premium for $10.99. Then followed by business plan, which is $24.99. And lastly, the enterprise, where you can contact Asana and customize what features you need, and the price will depend on the features that you like to get. And now let's go to Monday pricing. They have the free plan, but only limited to 2 seat or person. And their cheapest plan is the basic for $10, followed by standard plan for $12, which is the popular plan. Then the Pro plan for $20. And the last is the Enterprise, like from Asana. And you may save 18% if you pay 1 year upfront to any of the plans. So when it comes to pricing, Monday is the cheapest. So I like Asana because it's simple and easy to use. But if you like to have a colorful and fun workspace or project management, then you can also go to monday.com. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below. Thank you for watching.